did us a solid.
Because I like to eat it. Yum.
Alright, last week Ash went over to Kuala Lumpur and she did us a solid and she brought us back heaps of, what is it, Singapore? Singapore, Malaysia?
No, yeah, Malaysia.
Alright, Malaysian snacks. Okay, what are we trying first? Okay, so we got more poke sticks and we got these in the chocolate and banana flavor, which should be a lot better than the last ones we tried. Try that.
Yum. It tastes like Nesquik banana.
Like, I like yogo. With banana flavor. Yeah, have another one.
Do you want one? Do you want to smell?
But poke sticks are dope.
Nothing too good.
Try this. Okay, so these are Twisties cherry tomato bomb. See how these are. Yeah.
I actually don't mind them.
Yeah, no, right. Alright. Yeah, they're not like your traditional like tomato flavored chips. Like, they actually taste like tomato.
Yeah, they're like a really tame, not overpowering flavour.
Looks like Kuala Lumpur has better snacks than Bali.
They're chocolate potato.
Opala. As you call it.
So they're just chocolate potato chips.
A few moments later.
Edit that out. Okay. It's a chocolate tomato, chocolate potato.
Yeah. I only knew that because it was English on the ticket.
They look rank.
They smell like Milo.
Try one.
Do you want Milo?
Doing Milo.
They taste like Milo cereal.
Yeah, but it's all... It's like I don't want to like them. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna have to dive into this one.
You can tell them what this is.
So I don't know how to pronounce it. Durian? I know, milk chocolate, but it's like a fruit over there. And
Durian.
Durian, that's it.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, because that's how they're pronouncing it. So it's actually banned from like a fair few restaurants, buildings. So when you go in there, there'll be signs up saying not to have it because it stinks. Like, but apparently it's so delicious, but because the smell is so rank, it goes into the aircon and you can't get it out. So, and you can literally, I bought chocolates and you can smell it through the chocolate box. It's so gross. You smell it.
Oh babe, try this, it'd be good.
It literally smells like a sewage.
Yeah.
Oh, and they're even shaped like the towers.
What? These are legit. Smell terrible. No, I'll give it back. I'll give them. It's not disgusting. Wow.
Gotta like hold your nose to eat it. It's not bad, but you can just smell it.
I can taste the smell. Kuala Lumpur, you can keep your durian. Oh.
Yeah, that's why I said we can't have that last because we'll have the taste.
What we got?
Hot and spicy almonds.
No, was it? No, what are they called though? I'll read it.
I can't.
You want some? Alright, so we'll try hot and spicy almonds. Do you want to try one? No, you
As
want
soon
it.
as there's a food around, Penelope's straight there.
Time to run it. Okay.
Did you put yours on your tongue?
Yeah. That's worse.
There's water out here.
Did you? I.
Betty drank all my drink last night and only left this much left, so I finished it off, and now he's like, where's the rest of the creamy soda?
I would have come in handy right now.
They're hot, hey.
Next up we got mini churros.
So all this stuff was just from like a Mini Mart, just like on the corner. I had to try and bring back stuff that like I could get through customs.
Smells like ass. Churro.
That tastes like, you know how you get donuts and there's like the real crunchy bit?
Yeah.
That's okay.
We're on the ride home about. Okay. Now we got Oreo. Yeah. Those almonds still burning. Oreo thins and tiramisu.
I'm flaming in the mouth.
These smell dope.
Thanks.
Cheers?
Oh, cheers.
No, she already put it.
Yum. I love Oreos.
Yeah, no, Oreos are good.
That's because these are thins. You used to think.
Gay!
Next up, Kit Kat Chunky Peanut Butter.
So we were FaceTiming and I was full pigging out on snacks, and I knew that I was getting jealous that I was having peanut butter Kit Kats, so I brought back a few.
Bought back a cup.
Oh wait, cheers.
Cheers. It's usually I'm like all over peanut butter, anything. But
It tastes like them chocolate spiders I make.
Well, with
Peanut butter in them. Not fun.
no, it's still a bit better, that's all.
So what are you a fan
Alright, I think polka sticks are probably the best.
of? Definitely them ones.
Yeah,
Um,
that was definitely the worst.
and we actually got something that was hot and spicy.
No, the chips were hot and spicy last time.
They weren't for me. We should do a competition to see who could like leave this on the tongue the most.
Okay. Right now.
I'll try to stomach a steel.
Right.
1, 2, 3, go. I don't know.
I want to play this.
I win.
Okay. That's all Malaysian snacks. Thanks to Ash for being in another video. I'll see you next time.